As we gaze up at the starry night sky, it's hard not to feel a sense of wonder and awe. But amidst the beauty of the cosmos lies a very real threat to our planet: asteroids. These celestial bodies, hurling through space at incredible speeds, have the potential to cause catastrophic damage to our world. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science behind how NASA is working to protect Earth from asteroids and ensure the safety of our planet and its inhabitants. From groundbreaking research to ingenious technology, get ready to discover the incredible ways in which NASA is safeguarding our planet from one of the greatest threats the universe has to offer. An asteroid's impact on Earth has the potential to cause catastrophic devastation, leading to loss of lives, property, and even entire cities. It is a natural disaster that humanity has been concerned about for decades, and with advancements in technology, it is now a disaster that we have the ability to prevent. In a recent NASA press release, Lindley Johnson, the agency's planetary defense officer, stated, "The release of this NASA strategy steps up NASA's intentions for the next 10 years to ensure the agency works both nationally and internationally to protect our planet for the benefit of all." The statement came after the release of the NASA Planetary Defense Strategy and Action Plan, a 46-page document that outlines the agency's objectives for planetary defense. The plan was released on April 18, 2023, and focuses on 6 key areas that NASA will prioritize over the next decade to protect the Earth from the potential impact of near-Earth objects. These objectives include improving NEO survey, detection and characterization efforts, developing and demonstrating NEO mitigation technologies, fostering international collaboration, strengthening interagency coordination, maximizing the benefits obtained from limited resources, and integrating messaging regarding planetary defense work with the agency's strategic communications. Each of these objectives is defined into short-term, medium-term, long-term, and ongoing timelines, with the goal of meeting all objectives within the next 10 years. NASA recognizes that NEOs range in diameter from 10 meters, that's 33 feet, to more than 10,000 meters, that's 33,000 feet, and that comes within 42 million kilometers, 30 million miles of the Earth's orbital path. Therefore, the agency's plan of action is a crucial step forward in ensuring that our planet is safeguarded from these potentially hazardous NEOs for generations to come. For decades, scientists and other proponents have been championing the need for humanity to prepare for an asteroid impact, which will certainly happen at some point in the future. The technology needed to divert an asteroid already exists, as Apollo astronaut Rusty Schweickart, who helped found the planetary defense nonprofit advocate B612 Foundation, has stated in numerous interviews. That is, we do not have to go into a big technology development program in order to deflect most asteroids that would pose a threat on impact, he said. However, coordination and cooperation between countries around the world are essential, and it may be even more difficult to organize than the technology itself. Bureaucracy is the most likely reason we will be hit with an asteroid in the future, not the technology, said Schweickart. That is an audacious statement to make, but if we can get past that and do our jobs right, we should never be hit in the future by an asteroid that could threaten life on Earth. And it's going to be a heck of a challenge. NASA recognizes the importance of international collaboration and has made it one of its 6 key objectives. Strengthening interagency coordination between NASA and other U.S. government agencies will also enhance and streamline U.S. government NEO preparedness and response planning. Of course, finding the NEOs that are potentially on course for our planet is key. The Near-Earth Object, or NEO, Surveyor mission is a space telescope that detects near-Earth asteroids as part of NASA's planetary defense efforts. The mission is now officially on track as the fiscal year 2023 omnibus spending bill enacted in December directed NASA to spend no less than $90 million on this mission. It is tentatively set to launch no earlier than 2028. Planetary defense is an important field of study that focuses on mitigating the risks posed by near-Earth objects, such as asteroids and comets. The DART mission is a significant step forward in this field and is part of NASA's broader planetary defense strategy. Now you might be wondering how exactly the DART mission will protect Earth from asteroids. The answer lies in its name, DART. It stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test. This mission aims to test whether a spacecraft can successfully deflect an asteroid's path, and by doing so prevent it from colliding with Earth. The DART mission was launched in November 2021 and involved the deployment of a spacecraft that was designed to collide with a small asteroid moonlet called Dimorphos. The aim of the mission was to test whether it was possible to deflect an asteroid's trajectory by crashing a spacecraft into it at high speed. The DART spacecraft successfully completed its mission on September 26, 2022, when it collided with Dimorphos. The impact caused a change in the asteroid's orbit, which was observed and measured by ground-based telescopes. The mission demonstrated that it is possible to deflect an asteroid's trajectory using this method, which is known as the kinetic impactor technique. The DART mission is an important step forward in planetary defense because it has shown that we have the technology to prevent catastrophic asteroid impacts. If an asteroid were to collide with Earth, it would cause widespread devastation and potentially even threaten the survival of our species. By developing and testing methods for deflecting asteroids, we can mitigate this risk and protect our planet. But the DART mission is just one part of NASA's overall planetary defense strategy. The agency also operates a program called the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, which is responsible for detecting, tracking, and characterizing potentially hazardous asteroids and comets. The PDCO uses a variety of telescopes and other instruments to search for these objects and determine their size, shape, and orbit. If a potentially hazardous object is detected, the PDCO will work with international partners and other agencies to assess the threat and develop strategies to mitigate it. These strategies may include launching a spacecraft to deflect the object's path, evacuating areas that may be impacted, or developing other technologies to mitigate the effects of an impact. NASA's planetary defense efforts are crucial for ensuring the safety and security of our planet in the face of potential asteroid impacts. While the chances of a catastrophic impact are relatively low, the consequences could be devastating if we do not take action. The DART mission and other initiatives by NASA and its partners are a testament to our determination to protect Earth and its inhabitants from this potential threat. Another important aspect of the planetary defense strategy is the development of mitigation technologies like the kinetic impactor technique used in the DART mission. By developing and testing these technologies, we can ensure that we have effective methods for deflecting asteroids when necessary. In addition to these technical initiatives, NASA is also working to foster international collaboration in the field of planetary defense. This is important because asteroid threats are a global issue that requires a coordinated response from nations around the world. By working together, we can pool resources and expertise to develop more effective solutions. Overall, the DART mission is a significant milestone in the field of planetary defense. It has shown that we have the technology to prevent catastrophic asteroid impacts and has paved the way for further research and development in this field. As we continue to improve our ability to detect and mitigate asteroid threats, we can ensure the safety and security of our planet for generations to come. As we wrap up this video, it's clear that NASA's work in planetary defense is critical to the safety of our planet. While the idea of an asteroid impact may seem great, but it's a very real threat that could have devastating consequences. But thanks to missions like DART, we can rest assured that NASA is doing everything it can to protect us. If you want to stay updated, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and if you have any questions or thoughts about planetary defense or the DART mission, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Click here to watch the next video.